Watch these 10 money management ideas for college students if you want to get started in the correct direction and make sure you graduate from college in good financial standing. College is a terrific time to develop money management skills and habits that will assist pave the way for long-term financial success. You may work toward greater objectives like paying off student loan debt, vacationing, and accumulating money for future milestones. Like relocating to a new city after college if you have more clarity about your spending and saving patterns. Watch on to learn 10 money management strategies for college students if you want to get started and make sure you graduate from college in good financial standing. 1. Set a budget. A budget for college is a very effective instrument for personal money. You can see where your monthly revenue is going and where you need to make cuts. When you make a budget and keep track of your spending patterns, start with the essential college fees, tuition, room and board or rent, and utilities if you're living off campus, textbooks and supplies, phone, car payments and insurance, or costs associated with using public transportation, haircuts, personal care products, and food, of course. One of the greatest methods to develop sound financial practices is to create your own budget as a college student. Balance your monthly expenses and understand how your actions affect it. 2. Monitor your spending. Monitoring your spending is the simplest method to remain on top of your finances. Examine your spending on a regular basis to identify areas where you can cut costs or improve your spending. It's possible that until you look at your income and expenses, you won't understand how much your modest, everyday purchases add up to. 3. Open an account for savings. Many people struggle with this, so it's crucial to form this habit early on. Prioritize paying your expenses, conserving money, and treating yourself to a little bit afterwards. In the words of Warren Buffett, do not save what is left over after spending, but spend what is left over after saving. Budgeting and saving are skills that require time and practice to perfect, just like so many other aspects of life. Don't worry if you occasionally make mistakes or over your budget. 4. Commence enhancing your credit score. From renting an apartment to getting a car to getting your first home, everything will depend on your credit score. Many college students have damaged their credit by using credit cards to access quick cash and burying themselves into a pit of debt they can't escape. One method some college students use to establish credit is to just use it for one specific purchase, such as textbooks or petrol to get to and from class. 5. Make cheap meals. Adults must live on a food budget. You must eat, and you must eat frequently, whomever you are. However, there are a variety of ways to feed oneself, and the choices you make have a significant impact on your financial situation. A balancing act that can be enjoyable is learning how to prepare things you enjoy eating without going bankrupt. 6. Establish an emergency fund. Being independent requires having a solid financial safety net. Making it a habit to always set aside a portion of your paycheck at 10% is a good starting point, can help you plan for crises and prevent unforeseen debt. This mental shortcut will make it simpler for you to save money. 7. Create a strategy for paying off your debts. When you graduate from college and the grace period expires, you'll have to begin paying back your student loans. You need a strategy if you did manage to accumulate a significant amount of credit card debt, personal loans, or student debts. 8. Start investing now. Your money will have more time to earn interest if you start investing sooner, rather than later. Starting early will help reduce the amount of money you need to invest to accomplish your retirement objectives. Investing is much easier than you might imagine. A small sum of money can be used to set up an account online, and you can plan monthly withdrawals from your checking account to your investing account. 9. Try out the tools and apps for financial planning. Try out a few to see how they function. Understanding how each app functions will help you sort through various money management strategies to find the one that's ideal for you, even if you don't intend to use them permanently. 10. Get a part-time job. The benefits of working while in education are numerous. When you start to submit job applications, it seems terrific, especially if you can obtain employment in your field. It will be simpler to manage your finances and obtain work experience while attending college if you can find a suitable college job. Success takes time, so continue to work on these behaviors every day. You might not have a lot of spare cash right now if you're a college student. However, making wise choices about how to pay for college may allow you to save more of your earnings once you graduate. These 10 suggestions will help you achieve a healthy balance and lay a strong financial groundwork for the future. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.